so here we are, the final results. Mustang GT 5.0 with a lot of customization on it. Matte paint on the hood, the roof, and the trunk lid. Very, very nice car. Sounds really, really nice too. So this vehicle has a fresh paint job on it about a month ago. The matte is also paint, and we did Crystal Serum Light on all of the white glossy paint, and we did C1 Crystal Lacquer on all of the matte paint. And as I said earlier, the reason we did the C1 on the matte is because that particular coating is known to not add gloss, so it keeps that nice matte look on it, which is really, really cool. We also did the wheels on this one. We coated the wheels, and I cleaned all the inside of the wheel as well. It's pretty dirty. So there you have it, beautiful Mustang, fully protected and coated, ready to tear the road up. If you're interested in having your vehicle ceramic coated or paint corrected or detailed, I'm in South Florida, West Palm Beach, 561-906-9454. You can also see my work on Instagram, Prestige Detail and Ceramic, or you can check out my website, prestigeaircraftceramic.com. I do a lot of airplanes, but I do cars as well. So we're out here in Lantana Airport. Reach out and you can get a free quote on getting your vehicle protected. This particular vehicle comes with a 5-year guarantee, which you register online, so it's a legit guarantee from the manufacturer that the coating will last 5 years. All right. Thanks for checking out my video. Hit like or subscribe. I'll try and put a more detailed, lengthy video sometime soon. But for now, this is what we got. So, all right, thanks for checking it out.